Мен Кабылбекова Рукая. Сакин Бегматов атындағы Ташмайнок орто мектебинин 7-нче классын окуучусумун. Мен сиздерге Чыңгыз Айтматовдун Жамиля повестинен үзүндү айтып берем. These are our houses. For many years our families have lived side by side. I was from the big house. I had 2 brothers, both older than I, both bachelors, both away at the front, and there had been word from either for a long time. My father was an old carpenter. My mother and little sister remained at home. Our close relatives lived in the neighboring yard, known to the village as a small house. Our great-grandfathers or great-great-grandfathers were brothers, but I call them close relatives because we lived as one family. I had been so since that time. Our people had been nomads when our great-grandfathers used to break camp and round up their cattle together.